third exercise of triangles. In that second question, in a figure, triangle ODC, that is ODC, okay, this triangle is similar to triangle OBA. So these two triangles are similar. Here BOC is 125 degree, okay, they have given BOC is 125 degree, and CDO, this is how much? 70 degree. They have given CDO is 70 degree. Okay, then here find DOC, okay, DOC this one, and DCO this one, then OAB this angle. Okay, we need to find out these three angles. Okay, so now firstly here I will find out this angle, because here this is a straight line. DB is a straight line on these, so there is a transversal. So these two, the sum of these two angles is equal to 180. Okay, because these two are linear pair. So here BD is a straight line, then DOC plus COB, DOC plus BOC equals to how much? 180, because these are linear pair. So now here DOC we don't know, equals to, plus BOC is how much? 125 equals to 180. Okay, then DOC equals to 180 minus 125 equals to 55 degree. So then we have the angle, this is 55. So we know in this triangle the sum of three angles equals to 180. Okay, in triangle DOC, angle D plus angle C plus angle O equals to how much? 180. Angle D is how much? 70 degree. Angle C, I just write C as DCO, plus angle O, this is in this triangle, this is angle O. Okay, here this is 55 degree, this is equals to 180. Now again DCO is equals to 180 minus 70 plus 55 is again 125, minus 125. So this is 180 minus 125 is 55 degree. So again DCO is also 55 degree. Okay, so now here we need to find out this angle. So we know these two triangles similar. Okay, the triangle they have given here, triangle DODC is similar to triangle OBA. So if these two are similar means angle C equals to angle A. Okay, angle C means angle DCO equals to angle OAB. So how much this is equals to 55 degree. So this is what the solution. So next, third question. Diagonals AC and BD of trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to CD. Okay, here AB is parallel to DC, intersect each other at O. So here they have given these two parallel means, so here the alternate angles are equal, and also the vertical opposite angles are also equal. Okay, then using similarity criteria for two triangles, show that OA by OC equals to OB by OD. Okay, we have to use these two triangles. Okay, so here the data is they have given AB is parallel to DC. Okay, then what we need to prove that OA by OC equals to OB by OD. So then in proof we can prove that here. So in these two triangles AOB and in triangle DOC, so in these two, okay, so I just write the alternate angles first. B equals to D, ABO equals to ODC, then next these two are equal, that is BAO equals to OCD. So these two are alternate angles. Okay, then next, here this is what the vertical opposite angle O, that is AOB is equals to DOC. So these are vertical opposite angles. Okay, then we have the angle criteria. By the criteria, the true triangles are similar by angle similarity criteria. So if these two are similar means the sides are in same ratio, that is we have AO by OC. So here just don't consider B, just write down AO by OC is equals to BO by OD. So this is what the proof. The fourth question is, in the given figure they have given QR by QS equals to QRP. So data, I just write data, what they have given data here, angle 1 equals to angle 2 and QR by QS equals to QT by PR. Okay, here we need to show or we need to prove that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Okay, so here in this case, see here angle 1 equals to angle 2, angle 1 equals to angle 2 in this, that is in triangle PQR. Okay, see in this triangle 1 equals to 2, that is Q equals to R. In triangle PQR, angle P equals to angle R, means it is the isosceles triangle. Okay, so therefore this is isosceles triangle. So that's why the two sides are equal, that is PQ equals to PR. So therefore PQ equals to PR. Call this as equation number 1. Okay, so then here they have given QR by QS equals to QT by PR. Okay, so in the place of PR I use PQ. So that is QR by QS equals to QT by PQ. Okay, so here in triangle, so see here QR by QS, okay, QT by PQ. See here we have, so by using 1 we have written PR is as PQ. So here QR equals to QR by QS QT by PQ. Okay, the two sides are in proportion. Okay, and one angle is equal, angle P equals to angle R. Okay, this is one angle and two sides are in proportion, therefore triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Okay, so by which rule? Here first angle is equal and the two sides are in proportion. Side angle side proportionality or similarity criteria. So next, fifth question. Here S and TR points on the side PR and QR of triangle PQR such that here they have given angle P is equals to angle RTS. Okay, the data is angle P equals to angle RTS. What we need to prove here, triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Okay, so in proof we have, so in these two triangles, triangle RPQ and in triangle RTS, one angle is equal RPQ, in this P angle is equals to, in this RTS equal. Okay, so this is equal, and also angle R is common to both. Okay, here in this triangle R is common, in this triangle R is common, so angle R equals to R is common. So this is in data and this is a common one. Okay, then the angle, if two angles are equal means automatically third angle will be equal. So therefore these two are similar. Triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS by AA similarity criteria. So next 6th question. In the given figure, ABE is congruent to ACD. Congruent means corresponding sides and angles are equal. Okay, then here show that we need to prove this one. Okay, so here in this case, ABE, so this triangle, and another one ACD. Okay, this one. So here it is given that, so these two are similar means congruent means, so here we have AB by AC, AB equals to AC, and AD equals to AE. So here ABE, in this AB is equals to ADC AC. So in next ABC, A is equals to, in ADE equals to AD. So AB equals to AC and AD equals to AE. Okay, so here we have, so in triangle we need to prove these two are similar, ADE and triangle ABC. Just divide these 1 and 2. 1 divided by 2, we will have AB by AD equals to AC by AE. So see here, in ADE and in ABC, AB divided by AD, then AC divided by AE. Okay, so here the sides are in proportion, and one more, this is a common angle. Angle A equals to A is common. So these are what, the two sides are in same ratio and one angle is equal, then automatically two triangles are similar. So by side angle side criteria, side angle side similarity criteria. So here in 7th question, in the given figure, altitude AD and CE of triangle ABC, these are intersect at point P. Okay, show that we need to prove triangle AD similar to triangle CDP. Okay, we will prove one by one. So I take first one, triangle AED and in triangle CDP. Okay, see here, this is AEP. Okay, so first one is AEP. This is first one is AEP, this triangle, and triangle CDP. So this one. So we need to prove these two are similar. Okay, in these two triangles, see here D is 90 degree and here E is 90 degree. Okay, here first in triangle E is 90 degree. AEP is equals to, here D is 90, that is CDP equals to 90 degree. Then second, in these two triangles, P is vertical opposite. Okay, CPD and APE. APE is equals to CPD. So these are vertical opposite angles. So that's why now two angles are equal, means automatically third angle will be equal. So therefore these two are similar. Triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP by angle similarity criteria. So then we'll see second one. In second one, triangle ABD and triangle CBE. So here see ABD. Okay, D is 90 degree here, and next CBE. Which one? CBE. E is 90 degree here. Okay, so here D is 90, that is ADB equals to, here E is 90 means CB. Okay, CEB is 90 degree. Then here in these two triangles, see here BB is common. Okay, here angle B and here angle B is common. So B means ABD, B is common, CBE. Okay, these are common angles. So therefore again two angles are equal, third will be automatically equal. Then ABD is similar to triangle CBE by A similarity criteria. Next, third one. The third question is triangle AEP and in triangle ADB. Okay, see here AEP. Okay, E is 90 here, and ADB. Okay, D is 90 here. Okay, so here AEP, D90 means ADB. So 90. Okay, in these two triangles, see here AEP and ADB. Here A is common. So see here A is common. So here A and A are common angles. So A means DAB. Then here A is common means EAP. So automatically the third angle will be equal, and therefore AEP is triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB by again A similarity criteria, that is angle similarity criteria. Next, fourth one. In triangle PDC and triangle BEC. Okay, so see here PDC. Okay, D is 90 here, and here BEC. E is 90 here. Okay, so here D90 means again PDC, BEC, both are 90. One angle is equal, and here in this CC is common. Okay, the angle CPCD equals to here C angle common BCE. This is what the common angle. Okay, you can see here in triangle PDC and BEC. Okay, C is common here. For this and for this, C is common. So therefore now triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. So again by angle similarity criteria. So here eighth question. E is a point on the side AD. Okay, here AD produced of parallelogram ABCD. So first I have taken parallelogram ABCD here, and E is a point on AD. So that is AD is produced here and E is point on AD. And B, here B, this is B, this intersect CD at F. So then we need to prove this one. Okay, so in AB, I take in this triangle solution. So in triangle ABE and in triangle CFB. Okay, see here ABE. So here in this triangle, so this is what the triangle, this triangle and CFB, this triangle, these two triangles. Okay, so here what we need to prove here, the two are similar. Okay, so here in these two triangles A equals to C, because opposite angles are parallelogram. Because A equals to C, that is here A, that is BAE, here C, that is FCB. These two are equal because these are opposite angles of ABCD. Okay, parallelogram ABCD. So again here angle B equals to angle E, because here AE is parallel to BC. This is a parallelogram. Okay, so AE is parallel to BC means automatically angle B equals to E, because interior angles of the parallels. Okay, here angle B equals to here angle. So in this, so here angle, so in this triangle angle B equals to angle, in this triangle angle E. So here angle E. BEA, here angle B, that is CBF, B equals to E, because so interior angles of, so two parallels, AD is parallel to BC, AD is parallel to BC. Okay, then next, so automatically if two angles are equal means automatically third will be equal, so therefore these two are similar. Triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB by A similarity criteria. So in ninth question, in the given figure, ABC and AMP are two triangles, right angle triangles. They are right angle at ABC, right angle at B, and AMP is right angle at M. So here we need to prove first these two are similar, that is, so in first case triangle ABC and in triangle AMC. Okay, so here we know B is 90 degree, here M is 90. So 90 degree, that is ABC and AMP. ABC is 90, AMC is 90. So see on seeing in figure here, so here A is common angle for both. Okay, A equals to A is common angle. Okay, we generally write this as BAC and this is MAP. Okay, so I just write once again here. Here A is common, that is BAC is equals to, here A is common, MAP. This is a common angle, so automatically two angles are equal means automatically triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP, again by same angle criteria. So here again we can write, if these are similar means automatically the sides are in the same ratio, that is we can write, so AC divided by AP, so just leave it B here, leave it M, AC divided by AP, AC divided by, so therefore AC divided by AP equals to, just here leave it A, BC divided by, here leave it A, MP. So this is what the proof, second proof. This is a first proof. This has been proved, the similar, and this is a second proof. So 10th question here, CD and GH are respectively bisectors of ACB and EGF. So in triangle, these two triangles in ABC and EFG. So CD is a bisector of ACB. Bisector means it divides two angles in same value. So two parts. Okay. Then GH is bisector of FGE, such that D and H are lie on the sides of AB and FE. Okay, then if they have given, so here they have given triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, then we need to prove here what? So we need to prove first, second, third one. Okay, here for first one, they have given this one means these two are similar means automatically the corresponding angles are equal, that is A equals to angle A equals to angle F and angle B equals to angle E and angle C equals to angle G, and these two are similar because this is bisector. ACD equals to DCB. Okay, these are bisector because CD is bisector. Okay, then next here FGH is equals to HGE because here GH is bisector. So here they have given the condition. So we know ACD and in triangle FGE, because these ABC and FEG are similar means automatically these are similar. So here I just prove ACD in triangle ACD and in triangle FGH. So here we have, in these two triangles we have angle A equals to angle F and angle C. This one ACD equals to angle FGH. ACD equals to FGH. Okay, so now these two are similar. Triangle ACD is similar to triangle FGH by same AA similarity criteria. So if they are similar means we can write the sides are in the same ratio. That is, okay, so that is in these two triangles CD by GH. Therefore CD by GH equals to AC by FG equals to AD by FH. Okay, this is the first proof. So here this have been proved, that is corresponding sides are in same proportion. Same proportion. So if they are similar means the corresponding sides are in the same proportion. So here we will prove second one. The second one is in triangle DCB and in triangle HGE. Okay, these are similar, we need to prove here. DCB and HGE. Okay, in these two triangles we know B equals to E, angle B equals to angle E. Then automatically we also know DCB equals to HGE. DCB equals to HGE. Okay, so this is what? So here we have the triangles. Okay, this is by bisector, this is by data. Okay, so here we have the triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. So again by same AA similarity criteria. Similarity criteria. So next, the third one is triangle in triangle DCA and in triangle HGF. Okay, so DCA HGF, again same first one we proved here. So here A equals to F, angle A equals to angle F. This is by data we know. Okay, then here automatically ACD equals to and FGH equals to FGH. Okay, so this is by construction. Okay, now the triangles are similar by again AA similarity criteria.